Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we are going to test out my jumper box. I know I made a video about it about 2-3 weeks ago, but it wasn't very detailed. So I just came back from a very long trip. I spent 2 months outside my city, and I came back of all my cars started pretty much right away. There's only one that couldn't start, and that is my Mazda Miata. So I will use this jumper box to try to start my car, and it's a pretty good, pretty good device. Like it's the form factor is very nice. It's small. You can pretty much carry it anywhere, and it's very practical. So when I traveled, I took this car with me, and I parked it at the airport. I spent 2 months outside the country, and I did put it inside my car because I thought by the time I would be back, the car would be dead, which it wasn't. It started right away. I drove home, but when I came home, one out of all my cars, only one didn't start, and that's my Mazda Miata. So I'm about to attempt to jump start it. The first testament to this box will be to check how the battery held up. So before I went on the trip, I did charge it fully and left it in the trunk. So let's see if there is any charge left. I haven't touched it since yesterday. It's been very cold outside, and the box stayed outside the entire time. So moment of truth, turning it on. Will it turn on? Yes, it did, and the battery is 99%. After staying fully charged in the car, in the cold for 2 months, it only lost 1%. So that's awesome. And the second step will be to get I don't know why this camera doesn't focus. The second step will be taking the cables and then try to jump start my Mazda Miata with it. And, okay, so I'm gonna plug everything in. It's gonna be very hard to do with one hand, but I have to hold the camera on the other, gotta do it for YouTube. Okay, so now that it's connected, I'm gonna take it and go jump start my Mazda Miata. And here's the Miata. As you can see, it is not completely dead, but it doesn't have enough crank power to turn on. I'll try it now. Let me switch the camera to the other hand, and then you guys can see. As you can see, the car won't crank. Now, this is a brand new battery that I just replaced right before going on vacation. Brand new battery, but the car can't start. The car won't start. Let me remove this snow. Plus this vehicle is really not meant to stay outside. Unlock the trunk, and the battery in the Miata is in the back, 50-50 weight distribution now. And it's very easy. So all you do is you just connect. Right now it's turned on, so I'm gonna connect the negative first and then the positive. And then it has a function it's called force start. You press it, it will give some juice to the battery. So you press force start, and then go turn on the car. So force start has been pressed, and then when I come to crank the car, it should start right away. There you go. There you go. Now, this device is incredible. I'm telling you guys, every car guy should have it. It's very small, it's portable, and it does the job. And you only use 1% of battery. I have 98, so I can keep it in the trunk. I'm actually thinking of buying multiple of these just because of how good this device is. And every car guy should have it. I'm gonna buy like 2 or 3 different ones and keep in different, like my sports car mainly. I'm not being paid by this company. They sent it to me to test out, and they told me if I liked it, I can give them a plug. So that's what I'm doing. I think every car guy needs. You don't necessarily have to be heavy into cars. All you have to do is own a car, and you need a device like this. So I'll put a link to it in the description below, and if you want, you can purchase it. And I think it will be a great or a smart buy, something that will aim to make sure you will never damage the train, to make sure you will never stay stranded again, especially in winter. Batteries love dying. So this short video was just to talk about my jumper device. And also, by the way, you can charge your phone with it. You have USB-Cs, you can charge your phone, USB-As, and yeah, these are the spec of the device. 5 volts, it's a 12 volt. The output for the jumper is 12 volt. I mean, these are the spec of the device. Take a look for yourself. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you purchase yours, and if you like it, and if you have any feedback, don't forget to tell me. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are stopping by for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next upload.